So how did I make this bag? I used the ready bottom. It is the bottom from my previous bag. You can see here some sharpness, but it is a very good condition, so I decided to use it again. Here I have 54 holes, and in each hole I made 2 crochets. You can use also the ready one or crochet it. Your number of stitches should be divisible by 4, since our pattern consists of 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first row I made with increases on both sides. Here 2 increases, and on this side also 2 increases. In any place you can do it. The next 2 rows of pattern, I will show it below. The next 2 rows of double crochets. In the first row I didn't make increases. The second row has increases, then 3 rows of pattern, then again 2 rows of double crochets with increases, and so on. You repeat rows with double crochet and pattern until you have needed high. If you want the bag to expand more, you can make more increases in the double crochet rows. In rows with pattern, I don't have any increases. And now we make a double crochet in this 2. Here is one, and the next one. I left 2 stitches and make double crochet and into third. One, the next one, and here. And here. And again we left 2 and make into third. And next one. And now we make into these 2. First, and here. Again, left 2 and here. This is and here. And making that way till the end of the row.